Hello, I'm Justin Hockenberger with Josh Lewis and Zach Ulrich. Our project is Dynamic Barcoding, sponsored by Applied Research Labs at Penn State. Our project goal is to create a system that allows for remote monitoring and tracking of supplies, aka fuel, across a broad network of locations. The general overview of our project is that QR codes will link to an Excel sheet that are loaded with macros. The QR codes will be placed on a flow meter at each fuel bladder, and from there, fuel usage will be tracked and monitored at each site using the connected networks.
Good morning, I'm Josh Lewis, and what you see in front of you now is a copy of our dashboard that we will be using to track the fuel usage. So on the left, we have a copy of all of the recent transactions, so fuel that's recently been input or output from the fuel bladders. Then we have 4 charts, of which they're describing the inventory on hand and the daily usage rate for each site and each region. And then a region would be a compilation of as many sites are in within a certain radius of the main site.
Hello, I'm Zach Ulrich, and finally here we're just going to take a quick look at the financials. So first off, our pricing model does involve an initial and an annual fee. We have negative expected cash flows until year 2, quarter 2. We anticipate our break-even point to be year 3, quarter 1, and combine our expected cash flows with a discount rate of 7%, and that leads to an NPV of $8.64 million. And on the right is a tornado chart which shows our inputs for the NPV as well as their sensitivities. So the initial retail price and sales volume both have the largest positive increase, while sales volume growth and seller margin have the largest negative decrease. And thank you for listening to our presentation.